Before you scroll past, take a breath. If learning English has ever felt challenging, overwhelming, or too late, this video is your reminder that you can become fluent, and tonight can be the turning point. What you listen to before you sleep doesn't just fill your mind. It shapes your confidence, your memory, and the way you speak tomorrow. So don't skip this. Give yourself these few minutes. You deserve the chance to grow, to improve, and to finally speak English the way you've always wanted. Stay with me. Let these sentences guide you, motivate you, and teach your mind to believe, I can do this. I will become fluent. When you listen to English during your nighttime routine, your mind stays relaxed, focused, and more open to learning. This helps you build fluency, improve pronunciation, and remember useful daily English expressions without pressure. Repeating these sentences before sleep strengthens your speaking rhythm, boosts your confidence, and supports your long-term English learning goals. Now, let's begin our night practice. Today taught me valuable lessons. New words are becoming easier to remember. Speaking English feels more natural each day. Confidence grows a little more every time I practice. My mind is learning even while I rest. Every small improvement matters. Mistakes help me understand better. English conversations feel less stressful now. Daily practice is shaping my fluency. Good habits are guiding my progress. Learning English is becoming enjoyable. New expressions stay in my memory longer. My thinking is slowly shifting toward English. I notice my pronunciation getting clearer. Each sentence brings me closer to fluency. I express ideas more comfortably than before. Listening carefully helps me respond naturally. English feels like a skill I can fully master. I am more patient with my learning journey. Every day presents a new chance to improve. Good progress always begins with consistency. I understand conversations more easily now. My speaking rhythm sounds smoother each week. Learning without pressure feels empowering. English vocabulary comes to my mind faster. I am learning to speak with confidence and calmness. I can communicate better than I used to. Listening helps me build strong language intuition. Every practice session strengthens my skills. English is becoming a comfortable part of my life. I trust the progress I am making. My listening ability improves with every effort. I speak English with more accuracy now. Improvement comes naturally with repetition. I allow myself to grow at my own pace. Learning English feels rewarding and meaningful. My voice sounds more confident in English. I can understand different accents more easily. My vocabulary grows day by day. English conversations feel more familiar now. New sentences come to my mind quickly when I need them. I enjoy discovering better ways to express myself. English practice fits smoothly into my life. My confidence strengthens with every repetition. I appreciate how far I've already come. Calm practice helps me speak more fluently. My English improves even during moments of rest. Every word I learn has value. I feel proud of my dedication and effort. Tomorrow brings another chance to learn more. You've just completed the first 50 English sentences, and that already puts you ahead of most learners. Now, take a deep breath and let's continue with the next 50 sentences to strengthen your fluency even more. English communication feels more achievable than ever. My speaking skills are developing steadily. Every day adds something valuable to my progress. Understanding English feels easier with regular practice. I'm learning to express myself with greater clarity. My thoughts shift into English naturally at times. Learning step by step works well for me. English feels less like a challenge and more like a skill. I can speak with confidence when I trust myself. New phrases stay in my mind after repeating them. My listening skills are becoming sharper. I'm learning to respond more quickly in conversations. Speaking English makes me feel capable and strong. Each new word opens another door to fluency. Practice helps me sound more natural. My fear of speaking English is fading. I gain more confidence each time I try. This journey feels meaningful and worth the effort. English becomes clearer when I listen with calm focus. My voice sounds more natural when I relax. Every sentence prepares me for real conversations. I understand what people say more easily now. Confidence grows through consistent practice. My English speaking sounds smoother than before. I learn something helpful every time I practice. New expressions make my communication richer. I'm learning to speak with better word choices. I handle conversations with less hesitation. English becomes easier when I approach it positively. I remember useful phrases right when I need them. I'm learning to express emotions more clearly in English. Listening before sleep helps my brain absorb more. My fluency improves even when I'm not aware of it. Every day brings me closer to my fluency goals. English practice strengthens my focus and discipline. I'm building a strong foundation for confident speaking. My pronunciation improves with every repetition. Speaking English feels more natural than it used to. I trust the learning process and stay patient. My confidence rises each time I speak. I handle new vocabulary with ease and curiosity. English learning is shaping a better version of myself. My understanding grows when I listen with intention. English sentences stay in my memory longer than before. I'm becoming a fluent English speaker step by step. My dedication brings real improvement. Fluent speaking is becoming a reachable reality. My mind is learning, even in moments of silence. I'm ready for a more confident tomorrow. A stronger, more confident version of me is growing every day. You've made it to the end, and that says so much about your dedication. By repeating these sentences and listening before sleep, you've trained your mind, strengthened your confidence, and taken a real step toward fluent English. Remember, every repetition matters, every sentence pushes you forward, and every night you practice, you become more fluent, more natural, and more confident than before. I'm proud of your effort, and you should be proud too. Sleep well, and keep believing in your English journey.